In case of fire, make sure you're covered with fire safety services from Kylefire. We've been providing professional advice, support, equipment, maintenance and inspections for our customers since 1982. We'll design and install alarm and emergency lighting systems, supply and service your extinguishers, fire safety signage and service and maintain all equipment. And we can provide risk assessments and fire safety training for you and your staff. We're happy to travel anywhere in the country at a time to suit you. Get in touch by email or call us in Harrogate at Kylefire.